Auto repairs and maintenance often require access to the underside of your vehicle, so knowing how to jack up your car can make your job a little easier. Here's a list of what you'll need. To get started, park the car on level paved ground. Then engage the emergency brake and wedge wheel chocks under the tires that will remain in contact with the ground. To raise the vehicle, first position the jack under the car chassis at an appropriate lift point. Pump the jack until it comes into contact with the lift point on the frame. Then continue to pump until the car is an inch or so higher than the jack stand's height. Now place jack stands under the car at the appropriate lift points. Jack stands are designed to hold the weight of a car and should be properly rated for your specific vehicle. Now slowly lower the car to rest on the jack stands. Once all stands are in place, give the car a slight push to ensure the vehicle is secure before moving underneath it to work. When you're done working, use the jack to raise the car an inch or two, giving you clearance to remove the jack stands. Now you can gently lower the car back to the ground. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.